On February 9th, 2025, a new milestone was achieved. Flying 1,000 drones in the skies of Lahore, Pakistan. It was an honor to be part of the iconic horse and cattle show, celebrating the spirit and heritage of this incredible nation. The beauty of this event was made even brighter by the warm hospitality we received. The people of Pakistan were so welcoming, and we were fortunate to be surrounded by a dedicated team of local helpers who truly made the show spectacular. Their support was invaluable in bringing our vision to life, and together we created a breathtaking experience that will be remembered for years to come. We're grateful for giving us the chance to showcase our art in such a vibrant and welcoming environment. Here's to more moments of magic in the skies.